Hello everyone, this is the material list of the wall hanging that I am preparing today. I have taken a small piece of a thermocol for the base and I have cut its edges on both sides to give it a rough look. So let's prepare it. I am applying a glue coat all over the thermocol. I am rolling the wall putty clay and covering the whole thermocol with it. Paste the clay layer by layer, and if you want to know how to prepare the wall putty clay, it's very simple and easy. I simply make a dough using wall putty powder and water and knead it properly and the clay is ready. So here you can see that I'm pasting the rolls all over the thermocol and press it properly. Wet your finger with some water to make this smooth. I'm pasting another layer of clay and you can see it's easily merging with each other by using few drops of water. I have covered the whole thermocol with the wall putty clay and also covering all sides of the thermocol. Take a sharp tool and make some lines over it. Now it will appear like a wooden texture and do it all over the clay. For hanging this craft, I am adding a plastic rope to it and I am pasting this behind the clay. When the base is little bit dry, you can mark welcome with the help of a pencil. Now I am covering the whole shape of the welcome with white glue. I have prepared thin rolls of clay and I am pasting it all over the welcome. Use a sharp tool to give some texture on it. Make the shape of all alphabets one by one. Now I am preparing some small branches all over the base. When the base is complete, let it get dry for the whole day and we will work over it on next day. For next step, I am crushing some waste paper and making it roll. Now covering the whole paper with the wall putty dough and making small rolls of clay. Press both sides and I have prepared such 4 rolls. For preparing the tail of the birds, I am using a wire and pushing it behind the shape of the roll. Now cover the wire with clay and prepare the shape of a tail. Now I am preparing other small parts like wings and head and pasting it over the rolls. I am pasting the head downwards of this bird like it is little bit bent. I am preparing tail, wings and beaks of the birds and this is how I will complete all 4 birds. I have prepared a few flowers to paste it over the hanging. After one day, the whole clay is dry now and the birds are also dry. So now it's time to paint these. I'm using pearl bronze color to give the base and I'm adding a little bit of white color to it to give it some light color. Color the whole base with the flat brush. Now I am giving some touch up of bronze color without using white color and doing this all over the base. Now I am giving some dark brown effects all over the wooden texture. I have taken sky blue color to paint the welcome. And now it's time to paint all 4 birds. For the base I'm using sky blue color and magenta color. I'm adding a little bit of white color into magenta. First I'm giving sky blue touch to the birds, and I will paint 2 birds in blue and 2 birds in magenta color. For final touch up, I am giving some golden touch to all the birds and just giving a slight touch. When everything is dry, to complete the craft, I am pasting all the birds on the top of the welcome, and I am also pasting the flowers on it. I hope you like my craft, and give me your feedback, and also share my channel with others. I will bring more crafts to you.